j'ai peur.
Last step before we get out of here.
Attention mesdames et messieurs.
Les gitans sont à bord.
Complètement.
Welcome back to another video of Sails of Mahana. In the last episode, we were sailing from Aruba to San Blas Islands, but unfortunately, things didn't go as planned and we ended up anchoring without a working engine in Linton Bay. By now, some other issues popped up as well, such as a developing problem with our rudder. So, did you see something? And that's why we had no choice but coming to a place where we could find some parts, and we will have to stay here until everything gets solved to continue cruising, because like this, we cannot get going. The technical issue that arose during the last crossing was the ever-growing play in the rudder bearings, resulting in having to replace those. We were very relieved to make this happen at anchor, since the lift for holding out the boat was booked for another month. And this was really something to avoid because we wanted to go to the San Blas Islands.
J'ai un truc à récupérer, il y a une bague en... Non, il y a pas.
On va se le prendre sur la gueule.
3, 2...
Oh non, j'ai peur. Moi aussi j'ai eu peur.
J'ai vu partir au fond, j'ai dit putain.
T'as vu la fin du voyage? Là c'est le safran, s'il flottait pas on était mort, on n'avait plus de bateau. On pouvait plus se diriger, on pouvait plus rien faire, on allait rester dans cette baie où on n'en peut plus là, indéfiniment. Donc là l'objectif c'est de mettre le safran sous le bateau. C'est hyper galère parce que ça flotte, ça peut endommager la coque.
Fortunately, we managed to disconnect the rudder while going in the water and doing it ourselves, at anchor. After this first step, we could finally get our hands on the used Teflon bearing in order to get the right measurements for ordering a new one, which we did here at Linton Bay.
Non, parce qu'il va se coche. C'est pas le côté sur toute la longueur. Tu vois ce que je veux dire, ça te donne la résistance.
Now the last step is to put everything back in place. However, the tricky part is that the rudder is buoyant, as you see, and it makes it float upside down. But of course, we have to install it back below the waterline, so let's see how that goes.
Ce qu'on va essayer de faire, je pense qu'on va mettre 2 personnes en bas à essayer de le guider, un de chaque côté qui prend comme ça, et une personne en haut, moi je vais mettre en haut pour essayer de guider la tige dedans. Ce sera quand même plus... Oui, continue.
Ok. Oui, ferme le point.
C'est bon?
Ouais.
As the new bearings are very tight, we are using some lines and the winch to push the rudder all the way up. Now it's go time!
Ok, ouais, je vais attacher, ouais.
Las chicas en la cocina. For once, we're eating bacon. We barely eat meat, but this is gonna be good. With puree of smashed little green peas and some eggs.
Je ne sais pas.
Boys are on a mission. Yeah. Delicious. We officially just found our first coconuts. It tastes so good. Actually, there are plenty here, so I guess we're gonna take some on the boat and just enjoy them. Getting a new winch. Thanks to Jeremy, who went treasure hunting for us with Enzo. And he went into a hole with a lot of cockroaches to find us this winch. This is gonna be so practical since we have a lot of different lines, and especially for the Genoa furler, often we have to put it on the other side here, and then you have this line disturbing to pass through. It's gonna serve us well. Right over there in the distance, there's so many shipwrecks, abandoned boats. Most are sunken, and there's still a lot of valuable stuff which we can use on our own boat, like this, and we got some pulleys, so that's quite nice. Good, Jeremy knows what is worth taking and what not. This is our water heater, and Jeremy is trying to figure out if there's a leak or not. Is it repairable?
I don't know.
I don't know. One day passing by without using the tools. So Jeremy's currently getting ready for a new mission.
Damn right.
Damn right.
It's all wet.
All together they were holding our life raft. Luis, currently, what are you doing? You unscrewed it already?
Yes.
And voila, Luis working on unscrewing the tow rail. So we're gonna glue it back on with Sikaflex. The old Sikaflex you're scraping off?
Yes.
Ah.
He doesn't understand.
I know.
Non, je rigole.
Doesn't understand English.
On est le pire.
Comprends.
J'ai mal au genou.
Oh. Ça a pris combien de temps jusqu'à maintenant pour l'enlever?
45.
T'as bientôt fini
Mais
ou
je
pas?
pense que j'ai bientôt fini.
Ok, super.
Je pense.
engine and rudder working again. We're going to San Blas. Finally leaving Linton Bay. Ciao!